In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix a setting needs your review on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app and sign into your account. If you see the notification, tap review and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. In many cases, Instagram simply wants you to confirm or update a privacy or security setting. Next, go to your profile, tap the menu in the top right corner, then open Settings and Activity. Check sections such as Account Center, Password and Security, Privacy Notifications, and Personal Details. If any setting requires your attention, complete the requested action and save your changes. Make sure your email address and phone number are verified. If Instagram asks you to confirm either one, complete the verification process to help secure your account. If the notification still appears, update the Instagram app to its latest version. For that, launch App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Instagram. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next thing you want to do is sign out and sign back to your account. For that, launch Instagram. Go to Settings and Activity page. Scroll all the way down, click on Sign Out. Confirm it. Wait for a few minutes and log in back. Next, clear cache for the app. For that, launch Settings. Go to General. Go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Click on Upload app and confirm it, then click on Reinstall app. If the issue continues, sign into Instagram through a web browser and check whether the same review prompt appears there. Sometimes account actions can only be completed on the web version. Finally, if you have completed all required steps and notifications still won't disappear, report the problem to Instagram. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.